How to change row height in Excel. Hello and welcome back everybody. In this video, let's go step by step. In order to do so, you can do it manually or automatically and follow out this method for that. So we can start by opening up our Excel sheet for that. For example, let's say this is the sheet and we can move our row mouse to the row number on the left side of the sheet like this. And we can just go over and right click on it, one of them. Once you have selected it, let me just open up a new one. For example, something like this, you can right click on your, row number on your left hand side of the sheet, and then you can choose the option of row height here directly. And there we can enter up the desired height, a number. For example, I would like to have 20, and you can click on OK once you have entered the desired number, and you can find the height being increased directly. You can just go over and do so. Apart from that, we can hover over our mouse between the row or the number, row numbers on the left side, the line between the rows, and you can just go ahead and expand it this way as well. And you will be finding the rows height instantly being increased. You can just go over and do so. When the cursor changes to a double-headed arrow, you can drag up or down to adjust the height manually as well. And you can select the rows that you want to resize as well. Another method. After that, you can just go over and right click on it, select the option of row height here, and you can just go over and change it. Or from the space, go to home option in the top and go to the option for format here, this one right here. And within format, we can select the option of auto fit row height, and that will also automatically adjust the row height to fit the content. And that's it. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up in order to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.